What's up, Halo babe? So this is the hairstyle we're going for today, and as you can see, I'm already washed, blow dried, and braided down and ready to go. So today I brought all of my hair products, and of course I will link the description below. I wanted you guys to see how you guys can achieve this hairstyle from beginning to end using our vegan friendly hair products. So you guys wanted to know the secret. Here it is. This formula has been growing my hair underneath all of my wigs for the past 10 years. So she has put one layer of our super hold glue to start the ball cap method, and as you can see, it is drying beautifully. You guys, please excuse my facial expressions. I don't trust anybody with any sharp objects next to my face, so this part of the wig installation process is just not my favorite. It never will be. So you guys, I get so many questions on whether to put the powder on your cap or should you put it on your wig. Either way you go, you're never gonna lose, because the illusion is to achieve a bald look. So as long as the powder matches your skin tone, you're never gonna lose. So I don't know about you guys, but I do not like to stay at the salon all day long. So I'm so thankful to the House of Halos, because their wigs are already pre-plucked and pre-bleached just to make that process faster. Bald. Okay, girl. You guys, I'm going on vacation, so she's doing the stitch down method in the back for me. But these wigs are ready to wear, so if you don't like glue or the stitch down method and you prefer to take your wigs on and off, these wigs do come with an adjustable band in the back. As you can see, she's applying a thin layer of glue, and she's going to do this process 3 times. You guys, I am loving this meltdown right now. Even the stylist said, okay, and you can ask her. She said this is the best, thinnest lace she has ever used, and I will link her information below so you guys can ask her yourself. But I am loving this meltdown right now. It is everything. Guys, look at this. This is an entire vibe right now. I couldn't show you how she did her baby hairs because that's her secret sauce. But nonetheless, this lace is, where is it? It's what lace? But stay tuned. I'm so excited for you guys to see the final product.
The city is my palace, jealous. The city is my palace. The city is my palace, jealous. The city is my palace. The city is my palace, jealous. The city is my palace. We won't waste no time. They wanna know about the girl them, about the girl them, about the girl them. But she gon' slide right to my city. The city is my palace. The city is my palace, jealous. The city is my palace. We won't waste no time. I want she and she, and they love them some me. I can't even speak to all of them, so I call her on the. She gon' pick up on the first ring. We got her right around my damn finger. I will never tell her so. Oh no no. Bring it back. We won't waste no time. We'll never tell her so.
You guys, this wig is literally giving me what lace, no case, and no cast. Like, it's giving me supernatural. I'm loving this in all lightings, and I'm excited.
The city is my palace, city is my palace. The city is my palace. This is the vibe, I'm that guy. The lights in the sky whenever I go. She got her clothes off and walk.
Halo babes, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video just as much as I enjoyed getting my hair done. I will of course link this amazing stylist link below. She is located in the Miami area if I'm not mistaken. And if you guys would like to see me do any other hairstyles, please feel free to reach out. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you babes in the next video.